To clarify, I make these videos for my archives so I can go back and try to figure out things that I forgot over the years on how to do these easy repairs. And plus, if you go to YouTube University, you can see exactly how to do any one of these jobs and you can tackle it yourself and save you a fortune. That's what I've been doing. And if you find any benefit from this, I'm glad you did. And I appreciate you watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Welcome once again. Here's a quick look at all the tools that I've acquired over the last couple years trying to complete this removal of a rusted on wheel bearing. So finally I have all the parts and we're ready to tackle this job. Here's a picture of the new hub, and that's the old, or actually that's an old hub and a new wheel bearing that I'm going to use. And I think we're going to bleed the brakes. I don't know if I'm going to do that or not, but if I do, I have all the fluids to do that as well. I think I'm going to try to do this without having to bleed the brakes, because the brakes is not the problem. The problem is it sounds like a helicopter going down the road. That's how bad the wheel bearing is. So I'll put a little sample video before and after so you can see what I'm talking about. I did also find out that one of the shims that goes on the back of the brake pad was scooted up into the brake rotor.
Had to turn the torque wrench up to 150 on that one. Alright, now we're using the, what's it, 17 millimeter, just to get off the calipers. Oh man, that first one was on so tight. Let's work out again. Get back in the gym. Right.
I sped up the video about 5 times just so you could get through the 3 or 4 hour job that this took in about 30 minutes. Hope you like it.
Let's see here. There we go. That might be okay. I don't know. There we go. All right, and we'll take those brakes out and swap them out. Go get another pair. All right, and we'll take those brakes out and swap them out. Go get another pair. It was. Usually these things are stuck on here too. I just came right off. But interesting. But look at how loose that is. Wow. I might be able to pull it out with my hand. Look, I did. I just pulled it out with my hand. Holy crap. That's how bad this hub was. Holy crap. You don't even need a tool for this one. But
Normally that would have required a 20-ton press just to get that out.
now we got to remove the snap ring pin. I'm sure. There it goes.
I had the worst time getting off these damn snap rings.
What the fuck? Are you kidding me?
I spent way too much time trying to get these damn snap rings out.
What is making this thing stick in here? Almost there. Oh, come on. There we go. All right. Too much stress on it.
All right, so
I just had to bang that thing in just to get this to pop out. So here we go. Get you back hooked up. This is my outer tie rod removal tool, about 20 bucks at Walmart. Works really good. Matter of fact, every tool I'm going to be using didn't cost more than 50 bucks. Even the box of tools you see behind me, each case costs about $40 to $50 tops. Yeah. Jeez. That seems pretty secure in there. I don't think I need a plug. Plus, this is new. I just replaced this last time. I called Walmart to find out how much it would cost to get an alignment. They told me it was $100. Actually, they didn't even do it. I had to call Nissan. They said it was $159 just to get an alignment. So that's enough to make me get up and just do it myself. Let alone the fact they told me $900 just to change out the hubs. Unbelievable. Now I'm trying to pop out the screws to the right knuckle. I believe that might be the 19 millimeter screw. Damn it. These two screws just punch out. This is the right side steering knuckle that we're working on. Next, we're going to attempt the lower ball joint removal. I'm not going to lie, there's no instructions that came with it, even though it's only 40 bucks. But I eventually got it to work, but it was not easy. What else are we going to use this thing again? What are we got here? Use this again. There we go. It's coming up. There we go. Woo. Nice. There we go. And there we have one hub and arm removal. Look at that. That bearing needed to be changed. This was a 20-year-old bearing. Or 17-year-old bearing. Jeez. All right, let's get the new one. All right, we go. Come on,
This is me making another desperate attempt to try to bang out the lower ball joint without having to use the C-clamp that did not come with any instructions.
This is a close-up of my rack and pinion. I believe the rack and pinion's doing well so far. I didn't feel any really bad looseness in there, so we're going to keep
that installed and continue with the Walmart $20 hub removal, or yeah, lower ball joint removal. Sorry it's taking so long, but I wanted to show you my failure attempts as well as my successful attempts. I can't tell you how many videos I've watched on how many times guys are trying to make this look so easy to do when they don't show how hard it is to actually pop out one of these stubborn 17-year-old ball joints or hubs. They just show the part where they've already done the job and it pops off when they're doing it on video. I'm having to use the longest breaker bar you can get just to get this to press out. I did not think it required this much force, but it did. So I had to get an even bigger 6-foot pipe to add to it just to get it to pop.
This is a 22 millimeter. Can I use it? I hope this is coming. It's starting to move. I think we finally got it. Yes! Yes! Finally! Woo! That was not fun. My God. That was the hardest. I gotta start working out. You recall, anything with numbers or lettering should face you. So that would go this way. The numbers are outside. So that, all right, so that has to be pressed in like that. And then that goes on like this.
I want to point out that the numbers were so small, they were literally 2 millimeters wide and about 3 millimeters long on the inner race.
Outside right here of the knuckle. All right, I'm ready. Woo, good Lord. It's not in all the way though. Needs to come out more.
I don't know if my impact wrench is supposed to sound like this, but I can see a lot of metal on the bearing as I'm grinding this. This is just a $50 1,000-pound torque wrench from Harbor Freight.
Get it? Love how fast this thing goes on and off. That was awesome. All right, that is in there. Is there enough room to get my snap ring in? No, he's probably going just a little more. I don't know. Let's see if I can fit that bitch in there. Where's it at? And the snap ring pliers. Jesus Christ. Oh, God. I fucking super glued that damn thing. I think I need to go in a little more. It's not quite enough room. I don't think. It's not quite done yet, boys. Get on just a little more. A little bit more. Oh, shit, where'd you go?
Also using a $21 torque wrench from Walmart that works perfectly. I believe it goes up to about 250 pounds of torque.
Damn it. Oh, it's not gonna come off now. What the fuck? Put the extra torque on it. Alright, we need a better one than that. Tear this shit up. That bitch is not going in there anymore. Where's my snap ring at?
I was concerned the bearing was up in too close where my snap ring wouldn't fit.
Do the top. On the press. Now I gotta get the hub. I gotta do the hub. Okay. Where is my... Almost had it. Almost had it. there. How about that? Sweet. All right, now let's get you on. Let's get you in your home. You're done. All right, last one. Last one. Oh, your leg hurts. Oh, it's been a long day. You know, a 20-year-old hub is no fun. All right. Figure this out again. All right, this looks good. All right, I need it. Oh, all right, so you press this in, and then this is gonna go all the way to there. I assume. Let's see. All right, now we're about to press on the hub to the bearing. Here we go. I need to find a better fucking nut for this. What's this one? 34? Let's see, 32. Oh yeah, that's what we need. That's the one. That's the one. All right. Okay. Should we go any further? I don't think so. Okay. All right, take this.
You can actually see the bearing pressing against the bottom snap ring, then you know you're at the bottom.
Beautiful. All right, got the snap pin in, got the plate, got both fucking, we got a good bearing finally. All right, now let's get this back in here.
Right now I'm trying not to destroy my rack and pinion, trying to get the axle back into the tub or the boot. I was successful, thank God.
So nice we didn't have to freaking do the brake, that's great.
And just to let everyone know, you can actually do this job without having to bleed the brakes, even though I never disconnected anything, so there's no oxygen in there whatsoever to have to press out.
Get in there.
Always be mindful on the way you have your calipers hanging up, because you don't want that brake line to get pinched. It's very fragile, evidently.
Oh, come on. Damn it. All right. Now this one's gonna be a bitch, isn't it? Come on. Come on.
I don't realize it yet, but the outside tire rod, I've lost the nut that screws onto the rod handle, so unfortunately we have to wait until the next day to get that replaced. And unfortunately the part I ordered online was the wrong part, even though it said it fits my car, and it clearly did not. The threads go inside, not the outside of the tire rod. Should have recognized that from the picture, but you live and you learn. But not to worry, I got everything done on this short 30-minute video.
Please maintain your cars, folks. Do not go.
Right now, I'm spraying off the caliper with some brake cleaner before I install it.
Okay. All right. Try to keep them all together. And what happens? Oh, there they are. There we go. We got it. Take it up. Okay.
And if you didn't know, it got down to 32 degrees here in Palaca, Florida. So I'm going to run and grab my jacket real quick as I put this caliper on and finish this job. Right now I'm realizing this nut does not screw on. I tried to use my die and redo the threads on both ends and it just didn't work. So I went to O'Reilly's, got a new part, and here we are again.
Get my snap ring hold clear. There we go. Where's my snap ring hold? Oh, Lord.
Now, I guess I got lucky the first time I did this job. I didn't have to spend this much time trying to fix my steering alignment, but it took me 3 times to get this right, just to be truthful.
There we go. And we have a winner. Okay. All right, let's go see if we got it straight this time. I think we did. Exactly. All right, so this requires a 21 millimeter.
Even though the car is driving straight, how bad is it to leave it like this with it cockeyed? As you can see, 3rd time's a charm. Let's see here. No hands, driving straight. Not too bad. I like it. Thanks for watching. I don't know if you can hear this helicopter. It sounds like a Black Hawk about to land on me.